In this video, we're going to show you how to manage comments on your WordPress site. So let's go to the comments section. Click on the comments on the left side of your page or WordPress dashboard. Now you'll be on the comments page here, so you can sort the comments that you are viewing on the page. So you can choose all, pending, or the one that needs approval, approved, spam, and then the ones that you have deleted or trash. As you can see here, we have one pending or unapproved comment. So when you mouse over the comment, you'll have links. So you can have approve, go ahead and approve the comment, reply to the comment, edit the comment just in case it needs to be edited or some things need to be taken out, put it into spam, or put it into the trash folder. Let's go ahead and approve it. There you go. Once you approve the comment, it will now be viewable on the site, so it can be accessed and viewed on the post or page on the post in which it was made. You can go ahead and view that comment by clicking on the date. Here you go. Again, you can go ahead and view the comment by clicking on this link here, the one that states the date and time in which the comment was made. You can also view the post where the comment was made on your website. Now let's go ahead and put this into the trash. Let's pretend that this is spam or trash comment, or let's pretend that this is something that you don't really want to see on your site. So you either have the option to put it into spam or just directly put it into trash. Please remember, once you've deleted a comment or put it into the trash, you can go ahead and retrieve that comment. So go to the trash link here. You can go ahead and restore it, or you can go ahead and delete the comment permanently. So since this is not really a bad comment, click on restore. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.